If you've ever gone to start your car or motorcycle and found the battery completely dead, you know how frustrating that can be. That's where the NOCO GENIUS1 really shines. A compact, smart charger that can bring weak batteries back to life and keep them healthy for years. I've been using it for a while now, and I have to say, it's impressive for such a small device. It's about the size of your hand, but powerful enough to charge 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid or lithium batteries. I've used it on my car, my motorcycle, and even my lawn mower, and it worked flawlessly every time. Setup is simple. Just plug it in, connect the clamps, and the charger automatically detects the battery type and condition. It also has a built-in thermal sensor that adjusts charging based on temperature, preventing overcharging in the heat or undercharging in the cold. One of the best features is its ability to charge very low or even dead batteries. It can bring back batteries with as little as 1 volt, and with force mode, even completely flat ones at 0 volts. Plus, it's safe to leave connected long-term thanks to its smart maintenance mode, which keeps the battery topped up without any risk of overcharging. There are a couple of minor downsides. The cables could be a bit longer, and since it's only a 1-amp charger, it's not the fastest for large batteries. But for everyday use, it's more than enough. Overall, I'd give the NOCO GENIUS1 an 8 out of 10. It's affordable, reliable, and perfect for anyone who wants a simple, worry-free way to maintain their batteries. Check it out through the Amazon link in the description below.